welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella and this is my channel. I mean, I don't know what else to say. So let's go ahead and just get started in this video. So Huda Beauty reached out to me not too long ago and decided to send me some amazing goodies, which I'm so blessed and so thankful. So Huda, if you're watching this, or anyone from the team, thank you so much. I appreciate it with all my heart. And also, to get the elephant out of the room, yes, I look crazy right now. I just did my eyebrows and that's it. I have no other makeup on my face because I want to do a full face using just Huda Beauty products, as the title states. So let's get into this video. So we have a huge box right here, just full of the Huda Beauty stuff, and I'm so excited to show you guys. It is so full, like to the brim. And it's been sitting here and I've been so anxious to open it and then get my hands on all of these goodies. They sent me a whole bunch of these little bags, which I'm going to lay out right in front of me. So this is the most recent. This actually came in a little bit after this. This package is their new, is Huda's new matte metal melted shadows. Okay. And they're just these little stick liquid shadows, which I think I'm going to use today because I'm really excited to try these out. I've been eyeing these forever since she said she was going to release them. So we're going to play with these today first. And by the way, how cute is this little fanny pack that they sent it in? It's reading a bit orange on the camera, but in real life it's like this neon pink, beautiful color. And it says Huda Beauty on the top. So we have all of the colors and I can't wait to try these out with you guys. So before I move on, let's just talk about this bubble wrap right here. It is so beautiful. They have little hearts instead of just regular bubbles, and I think that is so cute, and the packages are so like heavy duty. And if you order from the website, I'm not sure if they come with this kind of packaging, but if it does, that's really cool because I really like it. So the next thing we have here are tons of lashes. I'm not going to go through them all, but they are a whole bunch of different lashes and all these amazing styles. So I'm so thankful for all of these, and we're definitely going to be using one today. And here's a couple more. So these are all the lashes. Next up we have this bag, and in this bag it has the new Huda Beauty Nude Palette, which I actually have used. I'm not even going to lie with you guys. I was so excited when I first received it. I just had to get my hands onto it. So I have a video on my Instagram, a little tutorial and a picture using this palette. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned, or don't stay tuned. Then go check out my Instagram at @thebeauty by Bella, and you guys will love the look. It's beyond pretty. The palette, I can't talk today. The palette is super pigmented and it's one of my favorites, and it's just so beautiful. Like, are you kidding me? So stunning. In this bag, it's full of liquid lipsticks. So they have some metal looking ones, which I'm guessing are glosses. So we have 3 glosses right here, and then all of these I believe are their demi mattes, which I've heard have the best formula ever. So we're gonna try them out today. This is what they all look like. The packaging is just this clear, beautiful packaging right here. Here's another lip strobe. All of the demi mattes. So in the next bag, it's just full of their regular liquid lipsticks and liners. So again, I'm not going to go through all of them, but this is how many there are. There's tons soon. So these are all the regular liquid lipsticks. There's a whole bunch, and I'm really excited to use these. I've owned a lot of these in the past, so I know the formula is already amazing. And then here are some of their lip liners. So now moving on to what's left, this bad boy right here, which is their Huda Beauty Gem Obsessions, I believe. So when you open up the top, this is what it looks like right here, and this packaging is really cool. It opens up, look, really beautifully. It showcases all of the palettes so beautifully. So we have the emerald, we have the sapphire, amethyst, ruby, and topaz. They're all so beautiful, and I've actually used the ruby and the emerald for a Christmas look on my Instagram already. I have a video tutorial and a picture up for you guys. So definitely, like I said, check that out along with the nude palette. Next up, we have a whole bunch of brushes. Well, we have brushes. We have their face brush and then their concealer brush. Then we have the Faux Filter foundation. We have their Overachiever concealer, their Complexion Perfection primer, along with two Easy Bake loose powders. Okay, now last but not least, I try to like rush through this real quick. We have this beautiful this is like one of those air fresheners, but it's like a Huda emoji. Like it's like an emoji of Huda, which I think is so cute. So it says download the app for free, and then ooh, it already kind of opened. And it is basically like an air freshener for your car, which I think is adorable. And then last but not least, we have the 3D highlighter palette from Huda Beauty. So of course this infamous highlighter palette. I am so excited to own all of these products, and I am again beyond blessed. Thank you so much, Huda Beauty, for thinking of me. It means the world to me, and I can't wait to start promoting you guys. I am obsessed with all this makeup. And yeah, let's get into this video. So I think I'm going to be using the new liquid shadows for this video. I definitely need the foundation, concealer, primer, and I'm going to use the Easy Bake powder in banana bread instead of sugar cookie and see how that goes. And then I'm going to try out the brushes along with, let's see, the highlighter palette. These lashes look very cool. They're called the Farrah number 12 lashes, so I think I'm going to use these for today. Do we want to use a lip strobe? I can use this pinky or gold. I'm going to have the pinky and the gold one out. I'm going to put these two away. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit more, and we're just going to try out all of these amazing goodies. I already did my eyebrows, like I said. So the first thing I'm going to try out is the Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base Primer, obviously from Huda Beauty. This is what it looks like along with the packaging. Like a couple of squirts on the back of my hand. I can't really smell anything, but let's go in. The consistency feels like lotion, which I kind of like. It feels like a really thick moisturizer. Let's open up the foundation. I really like this foundation bottle. It looks like glass, but it's not, and it's frosted kind of plastic. I don't know if there's a glare, but it looks really cool, and it's really thick, like really heavy duty. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna do like a pump right there, and let's just apply it. I've heard really good reviews about this. Okay, I really like that. Look, the difference. Coverage and then no coverage. Next, we're gonna use the concealer. So this is what the concealer looks like. It is so cute. By the way, the foundation was in the shade Latte, and then this one is in the shade Cotton Candy. So when you open it up, it has like this little applicator that is supposed to be cooling under your eyes. I've heard people say that it feels really cool and that it depuffs. So I'm excited to try this out. So let's put it on our face. So I'm excited to see if it's cooling. Okay, so a little goes kind of a long way on one eye, and it actually is really cooling. Go in with my bigger brush here so I can hopefully go by quicker. Yeah, like dark circles, who? Oh my god. It's like gone. Look at the difference. That's crazy. I look so pale. So I opened up the banana bread powder and it says freshly baked. I'm going to use the banana bread powder right here. I'm going to use the brush that it came with, and it is the Bake and Blend brush. And then I'm just going to apply it. Okay, so before I go and bronze, this is what the base looks like. I think it actually looks really flawless and extremely like full coverage and matte. I really love the smell of that powder. Like, and I can tell it's strong. I can't imagine what it smells like if I wasn't sick, because I'm pretty sick and I can still smell it, but I kind of really like it. Oh, okay, so I think I'm gonna use this to blush up my cheeks. So let me just contour and bronze real fast. The Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Go into the shade called Zanzibar, I believe. Right here, just this pinky shade. And just blush it up. I'm gonna bake the sides of my nose first. Let me see if I can do that with this little brush right here. Taking that banana bread powder, kind of tapping off the excess because a lot comes with it, and just going in a straight line and cleaning up that nose contour. I'm going to do that the same to the other side. So I think we're all good now. So then to highlight, I think I want to go in to this Sage. Oh, I'm not really sure how to say that. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this shade, but I'm going into this one right here and kind of mixing it with the Fiji one. That palette is really good, really nice. Eyes, I'm gonna use the new liquid shadow. So I posted swatches and everything on my Instagram earlier today. I have some, oh, they're kind of gone now, but I had some on my arms. So I did them like a couple of hours ago, like maybe 4 hours ago. They were on my arm, but now they're kind of like flaking away because they've been under my sleeve and I haven't took them off yet. They're really beautiful nonetheless. Again, look at this cute freaking fanny pack. It's adorable. I think it's amazing. And so yeah, so they have 3, 4, 5 colors. So beautiful. First off, I'm going in with hot sauce from, so it's the matte side in the metals. What's the matte side in the quad? It's called the shade Hot Sauce, and they're kind of like liquid lipsticks. So as you can see, it feels just like a lipstick, but it's an eyeshadow, which is really cool. And I don't think I've ever seen anyone come out with a matte liquid shadow before. Before that all dries up, I'm gonna add the next shade, which is Private Jet on the matte side, so this pink one right here. So I think I'm going to do Shimmering Sunset. It's the opposite of the Private Jet shade that we were using. These applicators are a little bit different, so it kind of reminds me of like the Kylie gloss applicators. And then I'm just going to apply that to the lid. Okay, so I went ahead and took the same colors on top. I put them on the lower lash line. And so this is what I came up with for the first eye. Hopefully there's not any shadows. And I'm going to do the other eye off camera. Okay, so I finished off both eyes off camera. I added some mascara because it's time to move on to lashes. But before I forget, here a tip when you're using these new matte and metal melted shadows. Whenever you're working with them, you have to work quick and don't leave them outside just sitting like this, because they will dry up. Like, they're supposed to dry down super matte and blend super quick, which they did. So that's just a heads up and a warning to not leave them out just sitting like that, or else the product will be no good. So don't forget to close the lid tightly and just open and close them between uses. But yeah, so let's move on to eyelashes. I've always wanted to do that, like those girls in those little tutorials, how they're like. So these are the Farah number 12 lashes. This is what they look like right here. So we're gonna open these up and try them on. They're a really different style of lash that I've never tried before, and they look really cool. Look, there's like 2 layers of lash, which I think is really cool. So they look even more voluminous. So I'm just gonna add some House of Lashes lash glue, and we're gonna pop these bad boys on real quick. So this is what the first one looks like. And they look so pretty, and they make my eyes look ginormous, which I really love. So now let's move on to lips real quick. I'm gonna take the lip pencil in the shade Heartbreaker, and then I'm gonna like outline my lips a little, and then we're gonna go in with Shiro in the Demi Matte liquid lipsticks. That is the finished makeup look. Oh my god, it turned out really beautiful. I love how everything turned out. This is what the makeup looks like close up. Very holiday, very glam, very red, which is so pretty. Okay, so this is what the finished makeup look looks like. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed pretty much every single one of the products, you know, and everything like the smell or like the shadows, that it's liquid. It's all like personal preference, and depending on what skill level you're on or what skin type you have, or just like how sensitive your skin is, then it's all gonna vary. Like the foundation has a scent, and like the primer and the powder and the concealer, I think they all have little scents. So if you're allergic to that, then don't use it, but if you aren't, then go right ahead. It's beautiful. The formula is amazing, very full coverage, and I can't wait to find out if it lasts all day. I will definitely update you guys on an Instagram post. Don't forget to head over there and I will show you guys a little picture on this makeup look. If you missed anything, I will have the products listed in the caption of the picture. And don't forget to check out Huda Beauty. They will be linked down below. Thank you so much, Huda, for sending me all of these amazing, beautiful products. I am blessed to be a part of the team. If you guys enjoyed this video, I definitely did, and the look turned out amazing. I love the lashes, the lips, the glow, everything is just a 10 out of 10, and I'm so happy. You guys really wanted a full face using one brand video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, everything at The Beauty by Bella. I love you guys so much, and yeah, hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post. Subscribe, like, comment. If you have any other video suggestions, comment that as well. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.